Go home happy with the 2019 Chevrolet Trax. This vehicle still has fewer than 30,000 miles on the clock, so it won't last long. Take your adventurous spirit wherever it wants to go in the versatile and efficient Trax. With flexible cargo space and efficient design, it energizes your daily drive. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, keyless start, electronic stability control, aluminum wheels, intermittent wipers, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats, power steering. Why not have a car that was created for your no-nonsense lifestyle? Get into the Trax.